Check out these magic slider cards. What do you think? Do you love the surprise pop of color? Or the reveal of a hidden message? You can make these cards for friends and family and watch their reaction as they discover the magic. Visit my website where you will find many designs to choose from. Once you have all of the pieces cut out for this card, it assembles quickly. If you would like instructions for the printed parts of this card, just jump to the end of the video. Otherwise, let's get started making a magic slider card. Set out all of the pieces. Glue the stopper piece onto the back of the color image by lining up the bottom edges and sides. Be careful not to get glue on the end tabs that stick out. Set the color image aside. Next, place glue all over the back of the track piece and glue it to the back piece. Set the color image inside the track piece so the picture is showing. Place glue all over the front side of the track piece and place the cover piece on top, matching all edges. When the glue is dry, slide the color image in and out to test that it is sliding correctly and that the stoppers are working. Fold the circle tab in half and place a little glue on one half of the circle tab. With the color image pushed into the card, flip the card over and glue the circle tab in the notch on the back of the card. Flip the card over to the front and slide the color image out of the card as far as it will go. Next, add the transparency film image. Wear gloves to prevent fingerprints from getting on the inside of the card. Lay the transparency image on top of the color image and match the design up exactly. If the transparency image is hanging over the edge of the color image, it can be trimmed off if desired before gluing. Line the color image and transparency image up and place a little dot of glue on the circle tab. Without moving the lined pieces, fold the circle over and glue it to the transparency image. Use the half circle tab to slide the connected images into the card. Make sure the transparency image is sitting on top of the cover piece and the color image piece is sliding behind the cover piece. Place glue on the cover piece along the two long edges and the bottom edge. Place the frame on top, lining up all edges, and let the glue dry. Use the half circle tab to slide the picture out of the card, and then place the spacer inside the pocket at the bottom of the frame. You do not need to glue the spacer to the inside of the pocket. The spacer will allow the picture to slide up and down smoothly. Glue the phrase to the bottom of the card frame and then test your magic slider card. Just pull the slider up to reveal the magic color. This is the completed magic slider card. This section of the video covers how to print and cut the pieces for this card. To make the magic happen for these cards, you need to print and cut the images correctly so that they line up exactly. I'll walk you through it here, but you can also find print and cut instructions in the maker guide that is included with the digital files for this card. There are color and black and white images for this card. Print the color images on white cardstock. Print the black and white images on printable transparency film. If you haven't used printable transparency film before and would like more information, refer to my short video called Printable Transparency Film Tips and Tricks. There are different printing and cutting options for the images. My preferences are PDF and paper cutter, but I'll explain all of the options so you can choose the best ones for you. You can print 8 images at a time using the PDF labeled Sheet. You can print 1 image at a time using the PDF labeled Single. You can also print 1 image at a time using the PNG files. The PDF images are best for cutting with a paper cutter or scissors, and the PNG images can be used with cutting machine print and cut features. To print a PDF, open it in your PDF program. Select the Print at Actual Size setting before printing. so that the images don't print out too big or too small. To cut apart the PDF sheet with 8 images, use a paper cutter or scissors. Cut the paper in half lengthwise at 4 1/4 inches. Then divide the other images so that they are each 2 3/4 inches wide. Do the same to cut out the PDF single image. The easiest way to print the PNG images is using the print and cut feature on your cutting machine. Pull an image into your cutting machine software, and if necessary, resize it to be 2 3/4 inches wide by 4 1/4 inches tall. Then use your cutting machine to cut out the PNG images. You will need to use the correct blades and settings on your machine for the materials you cut. If the magic slider card you are making includes any sentiments, you will find them as PNG files. Some cards come with more than one sentiment, and you can mix and match the sentiments. Use the print and cut features on your cutting machine to cut out any sentiments you want to use. Remember, if you need information about working with a printable transparency film, check out my video, Printable Transparency Film Tips and Tricks. I hope you enjoy making these magical cards. Thanks for watching, everyone!